Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 and today I'm going to show you how to enter the recovery menu on this watch. So let's get started. So entering the recovery mode on this watch, it's a bit tricky because we need to perform some sequences with the buttons on our watch. Basically we need to press and hold the both buttons until the watch turns off, then release them, press and hold them again, release them, and if nothing happens again, press and hold them again, and then after a few seconds release them. And at some point during the whole process you will see rebooting message on the screen, and once you see it you need to press the home button repeatedly to enter the reboot menu, and then you need to use the reboot menu to enter the recovery menu. That's why I say this part is a bit tricky, but anyway I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get it done. So press and hold the buttons, keep holding them until the screen turns off. It takes about I would say 5-10 seconds, and after the screen turns off keep holding the buttons for a few more seconds, and I would say that's good enough, so we can release the buttons. And at this point the watch should be turned off, and once it turns off press and hold the buttons again and keep holding them for another 10 seconds I would say, and if nothing happens release them, and then wait another few seconds to see if rebooting message appears on the screen. If not, we need to press and hold the buttons again. So let's see, release them and let's see if something happens. Looks like nothing will happen, so we can press and hold the buttons again until the rebooting message appears on the screen, and it should appear after a few seconds. Nothing happening again, so we're gonna release the buttons again and see. Looks like now it appears. We can press the home button repeatedly, and after a few seconds you should enter the reboot menu. And now we can use the lower button to scroll through this menu like this, the back button, select the recovery boot, press and hold the home button to enter, and once the watch reboots it should boot into recovery menu. And here we have it. This menu is quite poor, I would say. There's only one option, wipe data / factory reset. All of the other options are gone, so there's no clear cache, no download mode and stuff like that, only wipe data / factory reset, but it could be useful in some cases. And to move through this menu use the lower button, of course, to scroll down like that, and to confirm you press the home button. And you have two options to exit the menu. You have reboot system now, which will reboot the watch to normal system. It will boot normally, and power off will turn it off if you want to just turn it off. I'm gonna select the reboot system now, press the home button to confirm, and the watch will reboot into a system. And basically that's how you enter the recovery menu on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.